Good morning from Canada. Today, we're mountain biking in Whistler. I hope you enjoy the video. Oh, do we go on the wood when it's wet? I don't know. Oh, could have gapped that. Oh, that's super! Oh, that was smooth. Oh! Yoo-hoo! Oh, a little wet. Woo! Oh, there goes the butt. Woo! Dead sailor on that one. Oh. Garbo has opened up, so we're gonna go freeze on the lift and hit the Alpine. Is that considered the Alpine here at Whistler? Not really sure. Super stoked on it though. All right, dude. Woo! A little short on that one. Whoa! All right. Whoop! Make sure. Oh man. Oh! You good? Oh, roots! Rock has good grip, actually.
Whoa. Sorry.
You're good. I pulled too much brake, and I don't even know.
God, but you just like.
Hopefully I didn't break anything.
You're doing what I was doing.
Oh!
Like
Yeah, I was grinding it, totally. Oh, wood.
I want the film. That's what I want. Is the upper
I think I'm gonna try to come down into this. Oh, there it is.
In the rain?
Yeah, a little scary. He's gonna rip it. Yeah.
What are you doing, Carson?
A little nervous about this container step up. You think that? I can't tell if you're joking or not. I have no idea what the speed should be.
Well, I mean, you can't really overshoot it because you can just go to flat.
You gonna hit it? Am I following you?
Am I following you?
Oh.
Watching him barely.
Dude! Bryant! What? You barely squeaked that, dude! Oh! Well, barely made it, but there's a fun feature off the list. Woo! Wasn't sure where that landing was gonna be. There we go. Fun jump into a berm. You! Couple more laps if you know what I mean. pointing in the wrong direction there. Woo! Nice. Man, some racers there. Not quite cleaning it. Really not quite cleaning it. It's an awkward transition for me. Nope. Ah. Woo, hands are starting to go. Well, arms actually. Forearms. Hey! Oh yeah. Go, 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 go. Woo! This one's been bucking me. Better, still got bucked. Ah! Those brake bumps are brutal. Okay. No brakes. Woo! That is fun. I'm happy with that. Rainy Whistler day, unfortunately, but so good to be here. If you enjoyed watching, subscribe so you catch the next one. And remember, we're all kooks. Trying to keep the good side down.